I'm gonna need everybody to panic. This is what everybody has been waiting for years. What's going on, Lug Nuts? Welcome back to Lug Nut TV with Jessie G. This video is the unboxing of the first ever Lug Holiday Edition Mystery Box. I know you were on a really dirty truck, but I'm just so happy you're here. All right, let's jump into it. I have been avoiding social media for about 24 hours because some of you guys already received your box, and I needed this to be a surprise for the video. So I have been politely avoiding all of you. Now that I've got mine, I'm ready to talk about it. UPS delivered this upside down. I'm guessing it was upside down for the whole ride, so it could be a bit jumbled. First ever Lug Life Box Holiday Edition. We had just enough space for that. I cannot. Here we go. There's things all over this box. Envelope first. Buffalo check, Christmas card. What's in here? $50 off when you spend $100 or more. Just for you. So that one's just for me. Like the first mystery box, we've got two $25 off cards to give to friends. You know, I think I'm a pretty great friend. So that is what's in the envelope. What is that? Cookie cutters. Lug cookies? Are you kidding me? It really is. Lug. I promise that says lug. It's backwards. It could be, well, could be that too. The other one is a puddle jumper. Puddle jumper cookie cutter. 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 Oh my god, I cannot believe I just did that. Your turn. Ingredients. Oh, they put cookie ingredients on here for sugar cookies, I think. Yeah, because it says right at the top, sugar cookies. My kids are gonna like that. I'm gonna like that. That was cute. Next. Remember when I couldn't remember the name of this? And I finally remembered it was gift labels, and then you guys all said, no, it's gift tags. I remember that, because it just happened last week. Where do I start? Where do I start? What do I pick up first? Okay, there is a really big cuddle throw right here. I mean, this cannot be avoided. It's the biggest thing. What is it, though? What is this print? Hang on, I might have to stand up for this. It's definitely Christmassy. Is it the one with the nutcrackers? The lug nutcrackers? Okay, there's Velcro in here, so you don't have to struggle like I do every time. I get one of these, I forget that there's Velcro under here, and I struggle a lot getting this open. Go. Okay, what is it? This is good. This is going on my couch. Yeah, alright, we'll put it on the couch. And these are so soft. If you guys are on the fence about the cuddle throws in general, get off the fence because they're amazing. I'm not even a blanket person, I will admit. I'm not a throw person. Big blankets, soft blankets, probably the only one in the world. But I do think these are great. I collect these. Great quality and so soft. My entire family is obsessed with these. Everybody has their own. I'm gonna have to put this somewhere. Oh gosh. Sorry, everything I own. The new masks. Here's the deal with the new masks. They each come with their own little pouch. The pouch matches the mask. You get a set of 3. Each mask will have its own coordinating pouch. They have adult size, they have kid size. These are the adult size because in the corner it says adult size. Truthfully, I want these little pouches just because I want the pouches, because I need them. And what's cool about these is that when the mask has been used, you put it in here in the pouch inside out. The inside says wash me, that way you know which of your masks needs to be washed. It's also got this little stretchy loopy so that you can stretchy loopy it onto something. Tighten. Oh yeah, these definitely feel different than the other ones. They're a little lighter, very breathable. I'm definitely getting air right now. So these are over the mask. I can breathe, I can see. That's what you guys like to know, right? If I can breathe and if I can see. Because I'm doing both. That one is very Christmassy. Next is this little box. Lug posted a picture of these little boxes on their Facebook page, and they asked people to guess what could be in this box. I guessed that this was going to be a mug, a Lug mug, called the Muggy. I'm going to guess, looking at it now, that it is not a mug. So let's see what's actually in it. Oh man, it's one of those things! So you put that on the edge of a table and it holds your bag. Do I have a bag? It's gonna clip this little thing right here. So that's how it would work. So if my hand was a table, this would rest on top of the table and your bag would just hang off of it. And it comes in that cute little gift box. That is really cute. And I love this box and I love that thing. I don't know what it's called, but I love it. Next, we've got this little box that has pens. Pens. Everybody's always asking Lug to make pens, and now they have done it. Oh, these are substantial. Oh, look at these. Oh, these are quality. Which one do I want to take out? Well, it is a Christmas box. Let's take out the middle one. Oh, that feels nice. I need to write. I need to write. I need to write. I need to write. Help. That is great. Just in case you guys were thinking about not subscribing, now you are thinking about it. This was a treat. What? We've got foot sweaters here, or as some of you might call them, socks. Certified lug nut. Wow. Certified lug nut. Yes, we are certifiably lug nuts. I'm not going to try these on right now on camera. Look out for a future Instagram post about the foot sweaters. Next thing we've got here, oh man, this must be the new Huggy. The one with, trying to make this look good here. So this lid is a little flip top. It says Lug there. It's got this little hook so that you can hang your bottle off of something. I think I'm not an expert in water bottles. Let's pull this bottle out. This one is the straw lid. It has 2 straws. So if you're ever like, man, that is the last straw. Well, no, it's not, because you have a backup. So it's the second to last straw. So here's this chuggy, previous chuggy. This is the 16-ounce chuggy. No is the answer. Stick around until the end of the video and I'll grab one of my other Huggies and we'll see if they're the same size. I'm going to drink coffee out of this and wear this in my house. Over here, Lug just added these to their website a few days ago. If you missed it, Lug is now selling pencils. Got them. Oh, these are adorable. We are a homeschooling family. I think these are going to be my teacher mom pencils. Oh, see, this print is the same that came on the Cuddle Throw. Lug pencils. Lug pencils and Lug pens. The sleeper! We've got a sleeper that matches the box. This is great. This is Lug's sleeping bag. And if you didn't see me unbox this in my last video, I'll do this one quickly for you here. So much garbage on my floor right now. So you open it up. Remember when you know when they say that these things are deadly? They're not kidding. Never let your guard down. So this is for makeup brushes. Technically, you can use it for other things. Folds down, you pull the little thing, and then it stays folded like that, sits on your counter, and your brushes are sticking up and you can put your makeup on. Really is a very neat design. There's a thing over here behind this box. What is this thing? I'm gonna need everybody to panic. This is what everybody has been waiting for years. Lug used to have something called the Metro ID pouch, which is what it sounds like, an ID pouch. So basically it was just a little card holder. They haven't had one in a long time. They have one now. One of these again. See, I got it before it could get me. So inside here, you put your ID right here, then it's got this little piece of fabric, and then you can put anything loose right in the pouch. And that's it. That's the whole design. That is the point. It's supposed to be very simple. Is this crimson? Are you crimson? I don't think it's quite crimson. This is so cute. So if you're wondering, hey, will that fit in the coop? Yep. Is this the last thing? I think we're on the last thing. I have no idea what's in here. Final thing. What is in the box? Oh, the shirt. I forgot I ordered the shirt. I didn't even think about the shirt. I got a size medium. Oh my gosh, what are you? You have a little sweater. Oh my gosh, it's a little hoodie. That does look like it's my size. Oh my gosh. I'm going to wear you with my Ariel. I need more of these. It's very soft, but also lightweight. Truthfully, okay, I'm saying a lot of things about myself in this video. I don't like soft blankets. I don't like hoodies. All the things that most other people really enjoy, I do not enjoy. This doesn't feel like a hoodie to me. This is like a loose, comfortable, long sleeve shirt that just happens to have a hood. It's not like that tight opening that doesn't have any stretch. When I'm in a hoodie, I feel a bit claustrophobic. So if any of you could possibly relate to that feeling, I don't think this is gonna feel like that at all. Stretches. Very excited about that. That's it. All right, guys, that was the Holiday Edition Mystery Box. I am gonna clean this up. Yeah, I didn't even see what this was called. Metro CT. Metro CT. CT. Not Southeast, Metro, Connecticut. All right, new Huggy. Huggy I just bought 2 weeks ago. I cannot tell just by looking at it if there's an actual difference or not. Yeah, it will fit. That did go in a bit easier. Okay, so yeah, there probably is a bit of a difference. I know the online dimensions do already state that there are differences. Sometimes I like to see for myself. So slight that I don't think you're gonna feel the difference when you got it on. They've just made it a little bigger to accommodate the larger bottle. And then the front pockets actually look like they haven't changed a bit. I appreciate you, but you weren't part of this, so you're gonna have to sit somewhere. All right, guys, that is gonna wrap up the Lug Life Box Holiday Edition. I knew it was called that, but that's gonna wrap up the Lug Life Box Holiday Edition video. Let me know what you guys are thinking down in the comments. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you are subscribed to Lugnut TV. Thanks so much for watching, and like always, I'll see you guys next time. I'm saving this box forever.